the aftermath of the shoot. A little bit. Huh? Yes.
Wow.
Pay for the skin transplant on my ass cheeks and I will.
Wow, look at that engine. Wow.
Oh, found a little
The remains of a couch?
Yeah, probably. Perfectly good brake rubber. Bowling pin! Bowling pin! Well, this boat's still on fire. I'm not gonna go near it. Yeah.
Found cool stuff.
Yeah, that's what we come out here. We can take it up on the hill. So this is Knob Creek 2017. This is Sunday, the last day of the shoot. This is the aftermath and the carnage of what ensues there. We have multiple 50s, 308s, freaking 5.56, 7.62, automatics, miniguns, you name it. If anyone's been to Knob Creek, obviously you're gonna know that, but they have a bus in the back, which is what I'm making my way towards now. And you're about to see a whole bunch of carnage. If you haven't already seen it in the video already, that's a cool part. Look at all them bullet holes in the shattered glass. Look at the bullet holes, man. Going behind it, and here's the backside. Completely trashed. Just look at it, that is insane. But I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna look for some shells or maybe a couple bullets, see if I can't find anything, and I'll pick it up there.